losers lose. I can't explain it any better than that. I don't know how it happens, but winners win. And if you create a culture of losing, if you keep being a victim, if you keep letting losing happen to you, if you keep letting people do you and treat you any kind of way, it's going to become a culture. And we wake up and grind. Winners win. I focus more on winning than I focus on structure. I focus on winning. And when you become a winner, they start seeing you as winners.
It wasn't today. It wasn't today. It started in May of 2020. That's when it started. 3 years ago. Y'all have done everything I've asked you. It needs to be done. But fellas, you just done something that ain't been done.
We did it, Orange. We did it,
I'm not
Orange.
gonna hold you up, but I want you to be able to celebrate it with your family. Here's what I need you to know. I love every last one.
Love you, Coach.
Love you too, Coach. Anything for y'all. We'll do anything for y'all, I promise you. Now the most important thing we gotta do now is do what?
We need that ring.
One thing. fellas, we work hard. We put a lot of time in, we put a lot of effort.
Fans after the game, local McDonald's owner offers report a game night offensive defensive flurry of the game. McDonald's at 11 football Friday night.
Done something
High school
that
football
most teams have never done.
each and every night. Tune into football Friday
Region
night.
champion, you're going to be a one seed in the playoffs.
Station
And the fans going to get to see us again.
Get high school, your number one high school television show. Love you. Every Friday night, 11:35 p.m.
I love you too, coach.
Channel 6. There will be a rebroadcast. Take it out rest up tomorrow before you're watching.
This is just the first one. Coaches, I love you. I appreciate y'all.
This morning the game